My name is Alicia Adams, and this is my interactive recursive tree, my final project for my parametric modeling course. And the idea behind my interactive tree is that it generates a random tree based on a number of set variables that are able to be manipulated when the user clicks on buttons. So each time the user clicks on the screen, it generates a random tree, and they're able to change the form of that tree. So here you see the random tree, and if I click anywhere on this screen, it changes that tree. And the way my buttons work is they are rectangles that, when generated true through mouse clicking, they turn green, and the other button for that same variable turns black. So currently this one is generating true, and the variables are active, and these variables are inactive, and it is generating false. So for this particular button set, the form changes from a branching form, a wide branching form, to a more columnar form. And each one of these has a different set of variables that it manipulates. So this one changes the height and the trunk thickness, and the color of the tree changes from a color gradient to a solid black silhouette. So the other component of this is that when the user generates a tree that they want to keep, they can push S or J. Either one of those keys will generate, the S generates a PNG and the J generates a JPEG, and that just goes straight into the folder with the processing file in it. So most of this code is devoted to manipulating the variables that go into the branching function. You'll see it's pretty lengthy, and I've defined the variables as tree thickness, branch length, and degree of branch separation. And the key part of the code is actually down here. This is the branching section. So this is where the tree actually is formed. So, and then that final part of the code down here is what generates the image, the saved image. So that is my recursive tree.